Hello everyone. This is how to create stored procedures in Microsoft SQL Server. First, you're going to open SQL Server Management Studio and get the Premier database if you do not already have it. It's located in the description, and you just need to run it in a new query and it'll basically make the entire database for you. Then you're going to make sure you have your SQL Manager Studio open, right-click your Premier database, and then press New Query. We're not going to actually press New Query because we already have one set up with a few helpful tooltips for this tutorial. First, you're going to type Go and then press Enter. Then type Create Procedure, Customer Balance, parentheses, at customer name, char 35, comma, at balance, decimal, 82. And then close your parenthesis. Then you're going to press Enter and type as. What that basically does is it creates the name of the procedure, which is, of course, customer balance, then shows two parameters. The first parameter being customer name, and the second parameter being balance. With these parameters, you have to make sure that the tables match with the parameters. So you're going to go into your database, which is Premier. You're going to open up your table, and you're going to make sure that you have char 35 or whatever it says, and balance 82 or whatever it says. Then what you're going to do is you're going to make a simple select query, which will have customer name. So select customer name, comma, balance, enter from customer, and then where customer name is like, so just like, then single quotation, percentage, single quotation, plus trim, parentheses, at customer name, close the parentheses, plus single quotation, percentage, single quotation, and balance is greater than single quotation at balance, single quotation. Then you're going to select that all, and you're going to run it by pressing the green execute button or pressing F5 on your keyboard. And if you mess up at any moment, you can do drop and then the name of the procedure. So you can do drop procedure and then customer balance, since that's what we named it. To run the stored procedure, you're going to type exec, which represents the execute button, then the name of the stored procedure, so customer balance, then the first parameter in single quotes, so Anthony is the one we're using for this, and then the second parameter in single quotes, so we're using 200. This is going to show that you want to grab anybody with a balance of over 200 from this stored procedure. You're going to highlight that line and then press the execute button. You should have a command, the message line underneath telling you that you have Anthony Mariotti and the balance of his account. Once that's done, you have your stored procedure ready to go. So we hope this helped you out, and good luck with your coding.